Hello, kids! Welcome to your Tiny Tales.
Once upon a time, there lived a hare. The hare could run very fast. It was proud of its speed. One day, the hare saw the tortoise walk very slowly. The hare laughed at the tortoise and said, "You are such a slow coach. My dear friend, you are so proud of your speed. Let's have a race to see who is faster," the tortoise said. So, the hare and the tortoise had a race. The hare ran very fast and very far. After a while, the hare turned back to see where the tortoise was. The tortoise was walking very slowly and it was far behind the hare. "The tortoise will take a very long time to come near me," the hare thought. The hare started feeling bored. He thought to take a nap. In the meantime, he began to eat the grass. After eating, he went to sleep. The tortoise slowly but steadily passed the hare. The hare suddenly woke up and saw the tortoise just crossing the finishing line. The hare started running very fast. But it was too late. The tortoise already won the race. The hare was extremely disappointed to find his competitor already there as a winner. Moral: slow and steady wins the race.
If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to Tiny Tales and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest updates.